Hi, I'm Alex, and welcome to DubStep Producer. I try to keep functionality to a maximum and complexity to a minimum, so I'm hoping you'll find this app fun and easy to use. I'm going to walk you through the 4 modules you'll be using to make your dubstep music, and I'll give you a quick sneak preview of the toolbox. The drum module is a 16-step sequencer with 5 channels, including kick, snare, closed and open hats, and extras. You can independently adjust the pitch of each channel. You also have a number of samples to choose from, which you can toggle by clicking in the sample window. So toggle through those channels and light up those steps, and you'll have a beat going in no time. The reverse switch, you guessed it, it reverses the sample. The volume fader is also independent to each channel. So you might be wondering what those letters A through F are at the top. They're your patterns or parts, and all the parameters within are independent from each other. When crafting your bass lines, you'll be modulating gate, pitch, filter type, cutoff, and the bit crusher. Let's open the gate on every other beat. In pitch mode, the black and white keys of the piano are represented on the grid. In filter mode, you can modulate the filter type over time. Here we're in low pass mode, so the filter cutoff is making more of a wobble sound. It's fun to just experiment and draw random graphs. Let's experiment with different filter types. The Vox filter, or formant filter, is becoming increasingly popular. Combine it with a bit crusher and you get that Skrillex sound. The synth section is quite similar to the bass. Just modulate your gate, pitch, and choose your sound by clicking in the sound window. Just like in the drum module, you can make 6 patterns or parts for both bass and synth. This will be useful in the next section when we arrange them into a song. This is where we sequence our patterns to build a song. You can also start the song and change your song length. So let's start by playing part A of the synth. I also added some notes in part B. Oh, you can also play around with the tempo. You can also delete a square just by clicking it again. With the scrub button, you can jump around the song to listen to a specific step.